High quality products are essential to gain professional results. To achieve them, the secret lies in the preparation. The areas of the car that don't need to be painted need the most protection. Masking tape is the most basic tool and the most important. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to use masking tape, although the science behind it is complex. The masking tape can be used on all shapes and surfaces. The biggest difference between automotive masking tape and regular masking tape is the ability to withstand a really high temperature. In professional auto painting, drying the vehicles in spray booths or using an infrared lamp at high temperature is an essential part of the procedure. Vibac's tape is engineered with a special adhesive that keeps its hold when it's exposed to a high temperature. The tape won't come off before the paint dries, leaving clean edges and clean surfaces at the end of the job. The tape is used in aerospace, marine, building and construction, automotive, painting and decorating, basically every industry. The performance features of our Vibac tape include good mechanical strength and is compatible with solvent and water paints. Provides clean removal with no adhesive on steel, glass, plastic and rubber. It will remove cleanly at bake temperatures of up to 80 degrees for 60 minutes. It has good holding power to help resist lifting and curling. It's easy to tear and easy to handle, and it's designed for both interior and exterior use. Vibac masking tape is available now at autorepairsdirect.com.au.